Hello, and welcome to Empire Crypto TV, to one of our mini series, our educational trading series about trading and trading strategies. We are doing this for all beginners. Please be sure to subscribe and support the channel if you like our content and what we do here. We just educate the up and coming traders, basic stuff, really basic stuff. There are many other videos that you can catch on to Empire Crypto TV. You can visit our channel there. You can see many other educational videos. But let's jump into this one. Today we are dealing with double tops and double bottoms, trend reversals, price action. Stuff that you will encounter in your trend, on your chart. If you are a starter on the platform, please be sure to pay attention. I hope you understand at the end of this series. I'm going to just speak as a teacher to you, as someone that is a student, because I also teach people as my job as well, making the most basic things very simple to beginners so that they can understand some of these basic trading strategies that are so common in the trading world, so that they can be able to grow with them and use them to their advantage. Okay, how to trade double bottoms and double tops. Maybe you have heard about double bottoms, double tops, but I just here to explain to them to you precisely. Okay, but let's first jump into the definition. Okay, when a double top or a double bottom chart pattern appears, a trend reversal has begun. So a trend reversal, once again, maybe is a change from downtrend to uptrend, from uptrend to downtrend. These are called trend reversals. Okay, you have double tops and you have double bottoms. Okay, so what they're speaking about when you talk about trend reversal, I have a real scenario, double bottom. This is a double bottom, but let me just look at the double top first. This I found on the BTC chart versus USDT. Now remember, these techniques are also applicable to your Forex, crypto, and your stock market if you are trading the stock market, as long as you are using candlesticks. I went as far back. Remember, now these are repetitive patterns. You can go back in history and look at them and revise them and study them and see if, like, how authentic and how true they are. And here we have a real case scenario, also almost like harmonic patterns, but I'll do a special video about harmonic patterns. But let us focus on this double bottom. You use trend lines, okay, so that you can be able to trace all this, or smooth out rather, all this price action. You can see that it hits the first top and the second top. So most of the double bottom, double tops, they have these double takes, first take and the double take, and then the price will go down. So if it's a double top, it means that it's gonna be a downtrend going down, which means that the prices have not been able to break this level. Let me not explain it myself. Let's rather go through it with our notes. Okay, double tops. A double top is a reversal pattern that is formed after there is an extended move up. Okay, double top. And the tops are peaks that are formed when the price hits a certain level that can be broken, like in this situation here. So this level cannot be broken. It just hits once and then it is twice. And if it's not broken, then the sellers come in and then they eventually sell right here, and they make this into a bearish trend. Here you can anticipate a downtrend or a bearish trend or a sell-off. Here you can still make a profit, considerable profits, if you are aware of what's happening. So the basics is, once you see this, it should be a warning sign. You also have what you call a neckline here, my yellow line here, but I'll explain it to you further. Okay, let us just go to this explanation. Okay, after hitting this level, the price will bounce off it slightly, but then return back to test the level again. That's the second time. Okay, if the price bounces off that level again, then you have a double top, like here in this case. So it will bounce up and then retrace, then come up, and then that's a double top, then goes all the way down. Now conversely, you also have a double bottom. Okay, let us just jump into the definition of it. Okay, I will not go deep into scenario. Okay, I also have a PDF example here, double tops right here, 1 and 2. That's it. That's why they call it a double top. If it goes more than that, then it's not an authentic one. It then becomes a sideways trend because prices have bounced off or retested more than 2 times. It just needs 1 and 2 only. That's the scenario also. And let's look at double bottoms. Okay, they are just the opposite of double tops, of course. Now, the most important thing that you also should take into consideration is how far will the prices fall if they break this neckline here. Like example here, I spoke about necklines. This is my neckline. Okay, so you would measure from this neckline up there to your resistance level. Remember, now in this place here, your neckline plays also as your support, and also where the prices have retraced twice, that part also plays as your resistance. Support and resistance basics that I also done a video on also play a part in this whole double top, double bottom things. If you just know the basics, then you can apply this support and resistance and see how they work for just more than one trend, for multiple trend formations that happen on the chart. Double tops, double bottoms, on ascending triangles, on many chart formations. Support and resistance trend lines are very useful. Are also very useful here also on this presentation on these chart formation, double tops and double bottoms. This here, right here, your yellow line, I define it as my support level, and right there where the prices have resisted to breakthrough, that's my resistance level right there. Okay, but this is a double tops, double bottom. This, you use your trend lines just to smooth out the price action. Okay, right. Now, how far will the market fall? You have to measure from the neckline up there where the prices are retraced, and it will give you how far the market would go, and or how far you would profit if you would sell in the market. Obviously, you use your pending orders. Your pending orders, very important. Your sell stop, in this case, if you believe that the market will continue going down, you use your pending orders, which is your sell stop in this case. So it goes all the way down and you reap considerable profits. Okay, now also conversely on the other side, okay, you have double bottoms, not those bottoms, but now these double bottoms right here. Okay, they also have that significant neckline, which is now in this case your resistance, and now here it becomes your support where the prices have retraced twice. Okay, so there are many types of support and double tops and double bottoms that I'll show you. They come in different shapes and different forms, but you need to have a trained eye for trading in order to gauge some of these patterns. You need to have some sort of experience. You can see where the prices have retraced. It's not about candlesticks, also candle wicks. These shadows play a great role because they show you where the price have went rather than where the price is. It shows you or when or where it ended up, or at the end of that trading period, 1 hour, 2 hour, 1 day chart, 4 hour chart, 1 week chart, and so on. So here in this case you have double bottom, first and your second reset. So after that you saw the market come up, breaks through this neckline, which is the resistance, and then that is a confirmation that the market will go thus far, and when it reaches to that level, that is where That's how far you can put your take profit, in other words. So it's the opposite. The price broke the neckline and made a nice move up. So that is your double bottom. Okay, I don't know if I should read the definition of it. This is a sign of a selling. Okay, no. Maybe we should go to the definition, but nah, not really. It's okay, but it's just the opposite of that double top, or of the double top. But now here you are dealing with a double bottom. All right, now there are different types of double tops, double bottom patterns, neckline that you need to, you see, only thing you need to know that when it retraces twice on the price, on the same price or on a similar price, similar on the same range of prices, okay, it might be not the same price, but on that range, okay, you'd understand. Also, you look at your candlestick and you'll see that, okay, well, the price resistant twice, and then this is an authentic double top or double bottom, but be sure to put on your neckline so that when it breaks through your neckline, then it's a confirmation that the market will be going down, in this case on that chart. So you have double bottom. These are other case scenarios. They may look different, but they are the same. Okay, they may look different, but they are same for different charts. Some charts have these kind of double tops, double bottom, okay, type of formation. Just want to look at another type, which double bottom. Maybe I want to see double bottom, okay, if they have double bottom. Here on this collection that I've put, yes, there's another double bottom, okay. This is a very, very classical one, okay. There your neckline would go over here so that when it breaks that level, then you know that the market will continue going up. So it's where the price is 1 and twice. They're just looking for that 1 and 2. After the second one, then it goes all the way. But do not make a mistake when you see charts like these. There are times where you see charts like this. I saw one on the Ethereum chart. Where you see charts like these. Let me look at the Ethereum chart here quickly. Yep. Let us look at the Ethereum chart quickly. I just want to see a case scenario with Ethereum. Here now we see now on the 4-hour chart, I believe. I just spotted it on the 4-hour chart. It may take a little bit time on Bybit. Come on. All right. Here in this case scenario, it looks like an authentic double bottom, but it's not. It can be misleading. Some patterns or trends that you may think they are, but sometimes they can be tricky. So you need to be careful in these patterns. So that's why I say you need to have some experience, have a trained eye when you are dealing with these common patterns. Double bottoms are one of the most common patterns used in trading, whether you are trading crypto, stocks, or even Forex. I might make an example about crypto, but this is an example that is very much applicable also on Forex and also on stock. Okay, where is the time where it happened? All right, here in this case, all right, there, okay, where is this? On the 4-hour chart. Come on, it needs to update there. All right, fine. All right, here in this case, yeah, there is it here. Put your trend line, go to your trend line. This is trading view. Just take out my trend line. Okay, come on. Trading view can be, okay, there we go. There, my trend line right there. It looks like a double bottom. Now, this is not double bottom or double tops. Why? Because the prices now have retraced more than twice. It did not break this neckline right here. It just retraced once and then twice and the third time. So that becomes something else. This is what you call a sideways trend. But yet still, it does achieve that that scenario where it breaks through that resistant level right here. This is the resistant level, but it does break and it continues on an uptrend all the way up there. But you would wait for a pretty longer time. But a double bottom, I would say it happened right there in the end of this reset. Then on this scenario, I would say this is a double bottom where it went up first time and the second time right here, and then it broke through this resistant level. This would be my neckline, okay? But it came from up there, so it can be tricky. Like I say, it can be tricky. That is why you need to have a trend line for these patterns, for these repetitive patterns. So you need to be very, very careful. But if you master them, you can be able to make considerable profits. That I can assure you, because you need to be a trader that masters these patterns and take opportunities instead of just making up your mind and just saying buy or sell. But sometimes, technically speaking, if you look to make considerable income in trading, you should really learn some of these techniques. They are very, very useful, especially if you are a beginner. Okay, now those are double tops, double bottoms. Okay, let me just close off here. Just look at that last part. But okay, now that would be it. Empire Crypto TV, thank you for watching. Please be sure to subscribe and please support the channel. There are more educational things that you can get on our channel, and items as well that you can earn from. We are using the Bybit and on TradingView as well. And please be sure to subscribe and support the channel Empire Crypto TV. Thank you very much. Until next time.